This is a tutorial and walkthrough of this Coda template based on the 4-Hour Chef, the book by Tim Ferriss. So after you copy this doc, you will get this doc right here. And I'm going to walk through just a few of the important sections from this template, but there's many other exercises you can do. This template is all about taking some of the practices and exercises from the book and making them applicable to your daily life. If you want to learn more about the DIS learning framework or the CAFE framework, you can click on these two pages right here on the left-hand side, and you can learn more about these two frameworks. Within the deconstruction phase of the DIS framework, I want to talk about the interviewing exercise. Let's say you want to learn how to play baseball, and you want to interview a few people to mentor you about how to learn this skill. By adding in the person's name and their email address and also putting your name and contact info here, you can click on Create Draft, and this will automatically create the email that you can send to that person asking them to mentor you. And if you click into your Gmail now, I should see this draft right here, and it automatically pre-fills the email with you ready to send, so you can proofread it one more time here. If you want to edit the email that gets sent out into the draft, you can click on Email Template here and edit this so that you have like kind of a mail merge situation. That's the interviewing step. There's other exercises you can do within the deconstruction phase. On to the frequency exercise. This is within the CAFE framework. If you want to again learn baseball and you have a start date and end date in mind, let's say I want to start on May 1st and I want to end on July 31st. So that's 4 months to learn the skill. Down here, you'll see a breakdown of the dates where you will hit a peak and trough in terms of your learning progress. And this is based on this chart right here that Tim references in the book, where you kind of start off learning a lot, then you kind of dip, and then eventually you'll become fluent. So that's how these dates break down, so you can kind of get a sense of how your learning will progress. And that's how this template works. Definitely check out some of the other exercises if you're interested in putting more of the 4-Hour Chef, the book, into practice.